I'm recording down here in my basement. I wanted to show you the finished craft room basement tour. So, as you can see here, we have our entertainment center and some benches. The litter boxes are over there and a little toy thing. But over here is where I finally got things situated. So let me back up here and I'll kind of pan around. So we have my bookshelf there, which I'm going to paint black eventually. I mean, it's okay white, but I just think it would stand out more. And then there's my tree, and that's my tapestry back there. I love fall, so that'll stay like that. And I have a Christmas one, and I have kind of a summer spring one too, but there's two there, but I like that one. And then there's my new stand I got for Christmas. Whoops, right there. That I can film long things. And then there's the table. I still got to do the skirting down underneath here. And then over here is my sewing machine, and I have a, you know, old, I don't know, my end table, whatever. I can put stuff in there, which I'm doing. And then over here is my sewing material and stuff. I'll show you. And that cloth, and then behind all that you see my purple storage for my really long diamond paintings are back there behind that now, so they're easier to get to. So that's kind of where that's at. And then, like I said, here's my new stand that I can film. I can slide it along the table here and do filming. But there's a lamp that I had that I brought down here, which kind of is nice. And then my tree. I don't know, I don't want to blind you guys, but let me see here. Ooh, sorry. So there you go. Puts a little more light on the subject over there in the corner for filming. And then, of course, all my diamond paintings, which I've added some more to it. And then, like I said, I got a fan and, you know, some old end tables down here with some old lamps. But here is the finished room. So I just kind of wanted to show you what everything looks like now. And I hope you enjoy it. So hopefully this will stay the way it is for a while to come. But nice little sitting area. Someone comes over and visits, and, you know, we're just talking and I'm doing something or diamond painting, that they can sit here and be comfortable. And like I said, and then this is all my husband's stuff here. This is his workbench for our Corvette that it runs. It's just we're kind of revamping it and touching it up and get it going. But this is where all his stuff is. This is his work area. But besides that, I just wanted to show you guys the finished product here. So I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.